If you have a 2008 to 13 Toyota Highlander and you want to upgrade your headlight bulbs, this is the replacement for you. Introducing the all-new Morimoto 2Stroke 4.0. The 2Stroke 4.0 is packed with more patented innovative features than any other bulb on the market today. The light output is perfectly focused so light doesn't glare on the face of oncoming drivers. It also has an innovative heat exchanger that cools the bulb while warming the ambient temperature inside the housing. This will increase the resistance to snow and ice buildup on the lens. Best of all, the 2Stroke 4.0 bulb has a lifetime warranty with OE grade materials used throughout. Upgrading from your stock halogen bulbs cannot be easier. Simply pop the hood, reach behind the headlight, and unplug your stock bulb by turning it counterclockwise and pulling it out. Keep in mind, this bulb could be really hot if it was left on for a while. Now simply grab your LED bulb. The low beam is an H11 2Stroke 4.0. Plug it in and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Now do the same thing for your high beam by turning it counterclockwise, pulling it out, and unplugging it. Now grab your 9005 2Stroke 4.0, plug it in, turn it clockwise to lock it in place, and you're done. Make sure the bulb is aligned so the LED chips are facing the 9 and 3 o'clock position. If not, you can adjust it super easily. And that's all it takes to install the new 2Stroke 4.0 bulb in your Toyota Highlander. So if you've got a 2008 to 13 Toyota Highlander and you're ready to see better at night, head on over to morimotolighting.com and get yours today.